Good day and welcome to the next module on solar PV installation. Now, in the last video, we were looking at how we could actually connect the four major components in solar PV installation, where we looked at how we could connect an inverter to AC appliances where needed. Now we're going to be connecting an inverter to a national grid, as the work of the inverter is to convert DC, which is the alternate direct current, to alternating current. So for every AC appliance, there is going to be need for a grounding, which is the earthing, which is a very essential. So we're going to be providing earthing for the inverter, so we can connect it directly to a national grid. As we all know that it will serve as a backup system, since the inverter itself could could be connected to a socket outlet, say a national grid, apart from the fact that it could be connected to a DC part using a battery. The inverter actually is a device that converts DC to AC, as discussed earlier, but it takes the DC from the solar panel and then converts it to AC to fill the AC appliances. But the beauty of the inverter is that apart from the fact that it converts the DC from the solar panel, it also has the ability to take an AC input from a national grid, or say a generator which is being connected directly to a power source. Such inverter is called a hybrid inverter. It takes supply from national grid or some backup generator. So this inverter will be connected to a national grid supply via a socket outlet. As you can see, connecting the socket outlet via the terminal, the neutral and live terminal, and of course connecting the earthing to it. As such, the inverter is then connected to the national grid to the inverter input plug. As you can see, there is going to be a direct connection from the inverter to the plug outlet. Look at the system now. It's a two-way generation, so that's why we call it a hybrid. The inverter is converting the AC that's being generated from the national grid to DC in order to charge the battery, and also it is using the solar panel to actually charge the battery at the same time. So in an event where one of the system fails, say the solar panel fails, the national grid is also there as a backup to charge the battery. So in any case, the system will be on. So the system will be on in either ways. This is basically how a hybrid system works. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. For more videos on solar installation, please stay tuned and do not forget to hit the subscription button on your notification from when next I post a new video. Thank you.